Good morning, students. Today I'm going to show you how to implement half header on breadboard step by step. First of all, you need some components required for half header, that is breadboard like this, and some ICs 7486, 7408, and some this is your and 7408 IC. Okay, so two LED bulb and two resistors and some jumper wires. Okay, and also we require a battery less than 5 volt like this. Okay, so you see there is on the left side you see there is and circuit diagram, and on the right side XOR I and this is the IC 7486, and you connect like this, and this is your first pin, and you connect from left to right and from top to bottom like this, and this is your 14th pin and 8th pin. This is your 14th pin. Okay, so this is your IC 7408 and gate. You can connect like this, and you see this is your first pin, and this is your 7, and this is your 8th pin, and this is your 14th pin. Okay, so here now see this is a circuit diagram of half adder. In here we use one XOR gate and one AND gate. So in IC 7486 we use only one XOR gate. So one there are two inputs like 1 and 2, and only one output like 3. Okay, and one is input and second is input, and third is your output. Same like this, our A is input and B is input and 3 is output. So now for AND gate IC 7408, you see we require only one AND gate. Okay, so one like only one gate we require. Okay, so here we first is your input, and second is your input, and third is your output. Okay, this is your input 1 and 2, and output is 3. Fine. Now see, this is your breadboard. So first of all, connect two wires like here, so that these holes are finally connected. Okay, similarly for these holes use wire and connect it. Okay, from these holes to these holes, so here place XOR. So this is from these this and from this there is no connection between. Okay, there is no connection. So now you see it's time to place a XOR IC over here. You see like this is your XOR IC. Okay, place over here, and then this is your AND gate IC, place over here. Okay, like this. Now connect VCC. This is ground. Okay, and this is your VCC. This is ground and this is VCC. Now connect VCC like this over here. So we will connect VCC and ground. So this is your 7th pin. This is your 7th pin. Okay, so put it over here, and this is this to this. Okay, so now connect second IC pin. You see this is now connect second IC pin here to like here. I put it over here, and like here to here. it's grounded now. Okay, it's grounded now. Now connect VCC from this point to this point like this. Okay, so this is 14th pin. Okay, like this is 14th pin. Okay, now uh, put wire, this is 14 pin, put wire from this to this. Now from the given circuit diagram of half adder, pin 1 is XOR gate is connected to pin number 1, okay, of the AND gate. Here this is the pin number 1, here this is the pin number 1, and here is the pin number 1 of AND gate. So pin number this is the pin number 1 to 1. Okay, got it. So now pin number 2 of XOR gate is connected to pin 2 of AND gate. So we will connect it to pin number 2 of XOR and connect to pin 2 of AND gate like this. So 3 represent as output, that is sum, fine, and 3 represent as output, that is carry. We cannot connect directly LEDs. I repeat, we cannot connect directly LED. For that we need registers to connect. Okay, so this is your LED and this is your registers. Okay, we cannot connect directly LED. Okay, so from pin number 3 XOR gate to this point we connect this register like this over here. Okay, now we connect this LED. So longer one pin is attached to upper side and smaller pin attached to bottom side like this, upper and bottom, fine. So similarly for a second output, connect register this to this like this. Okay, again connect LED, second LED. Okay, so longer one pin is attached to upper side and smaller pin attached to bottom side. So positive terminal to VCC and negative terminal to grounded. Now connect the next step is your battery. Now connect the battery positive point to this row. Okay, and negative terminal connect to this point to the ground. Okay, like this. So it's time for testing. So connect first input of A. So first input of A and second input B. Okay, first input of A and second input of B. So connect first input of A like this and second input B. When you connect both wire in grounded pin, you see output is 0. Output is 0. Nothing it will be happen. Okay, output will be 0 and LED is not glowing. Second, when you change the wire grounded to VCC, LED grounded to VCC, this is your second step. Okay, now to change the wire grounded to VCC, LED is glowing like this. You see, LED is glowing. It means your A is 0, B is 1 and sum is 1 and carry is 0. Fine. Now next carry is off, not glowing. Now third, when you when your input is 1 and B is 0, you see, you s- when you change the wire like this, you see, you can put it over here anywhere. Okay, and black wire change to like this, you see, also LED is glowing because some is 1, some is 1, that is bulb is glowing, and carries 0. Okay, so now next, this pin wire is connected to like this, one is and sum is 0 and carry is 1. Okay, so you see, when both input is 0, sum is 0, carry is 0, one input is 0, input is 1, your sum is 1, carry is 0. So like this. So this is all about a half adder. Thank you so much.